AI-generated movies are here. Is this the end of real actors? Imagine walking into a theater. Lights dim, the music swells, and on screen, the most charismatic, talented, perfect actor you've ever seen. Except, they don't exist. Not really. What used to sound like science fiction is now studio strategy. AI actors are here. And real actors, they're freaking out with good reason. Part 1. Hollywood's newest star isn't human. Studios can now generate full movie characters from scratch. No casting, no contracts, no sick days, no scandals, just flawless performances, tuned with sliders and settings like choosing a filter on Instagram. It's cheaper, it's faster, and honestly, it's getting terrifyingly good. Part 2. Why actors are sounding the alarm. The 2023 actors' strike? Yeah, AI was a huge part of that.
We will not be having our jobs taken away and giving to robots. We will not allow you to take away our dignity.
Because this tech isn't just copying a face, it's mimicking everything. Voices, gestures, emotions, even the tiny quirks that make actors unique. And here's the chilling part. Some actors are finding their likeness used without consent. Some even signed it away unknowingly. What happens when studios own your digital clone? Can you ever get it back? Part 3. It's not just actors. It's not just actors on the chopping block. Writers? AI can draft screenplays in minutes. Animators? Replaced by procedural AI engines. Voice artists? Text-to-speech has entered the uncanny valley and is climbing out fast. Everyone's job in the industry suddenly looks temporary. Part 4. Is this the end or a new beginning? So here's the big question. Is this the end of Hollywood as we know it, or just a new chapter in storytelling? Because let's be real, cinema has always evolved, from silent films to talkies, black and white to CGI. Maybe AI is just the next step, but can a machine truly tell human stories? Can it understand love, fear, tragedy, joy? Or will we end up watching pixel-perfect puppets with no real soul behind the eyes? Hollywood created the stars. AI might replace them, but the future of film, it's still being written by humans, for now. So tell me, who's holding the camera now?